Are you tired of the same old trading strategies? Today, we are diving into the Darvas Box Trading Method. Will it be your hero's journey or just another Wall Street fairy tale? Stick around and let's find out. Welcome back, brave souls. Today, we are exploring the Darvas Box Trading Method. Nicholas Darvas, a dancer turned Wall Street legend, claims to have made $2,450,000 in 18 months. Intrigued? You should be. Picture this: a world where stock move in boxes. Yes, boxes. When a stock is in a box, you do nothing but wait. Revolutionary, isn't it? Imagine Apple's stock trading between $150 and $160 for weeks. That's your box. Monitor it like a hawk. But wait, could something this simple actually work? Or is it just another gimmick? Let's find out. Ready for an adventure? Let's delve into this foolproof method. Step 1. Stock selection. Find stocks that are trapped in a box. Use technical analysis tools, but let's be honest, they're not doing anything exciting yet. Step 2. The waiting game. Yes, you just wait. Suppose Netflix is in a box between $500 and $520. Watch it for weeks, especially if there's news of a new exclusive series. The stock might stir, but it's still in the box. Step 3. The buy signal. When the stock breaks free, you buy. For instance, Tesla jumps to $630 on high volume after an Elon Musk tweet. Time to buy. Step 4. Setting a stop loss. Set a stop loss just below the new box level. Bought Amazon at $3,200? Set a stop loss at $3,190. Step 5. Monitoring and selling. Continue to monitor. If it forms a new box, adjust your stop loss. If it hits your stop loss or shows sign of plummeting, sell. Simple, right? Darvas made a fortune, but let's be real. Is this method foolproof, or is it just another trading fad? Remember, the stock market is a fickle beast. BlackBerry was once a high-flying stock that plummeted. Those who didn't set a stop loss were left holding the bag. Before you dive in, let's be clear. This method is not a guaranteed ticket to riches. Always do your own research and understand the risks. Because if trading were that easy, we'd all be millionaires. So, what's the verdict? Will you embark on this heroic journey, or will you heed the warnings and stay in your comfort zone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You won't want to miss the next revolutionary trading strategy we dissect. Thank you and goodbye.